So you don't really need a funded account for you to make money trading, right? Tradeiators over here, all you need to do is just for you to come to this website, to their platform, and sign up, and you get to compete with other traders and you make money while you trade. Now, this is a platform that is actually trending right now, and I just want to walk you guys through the dashboards and how you can get into challenges. And also, in the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can also create a challenge yourself and get your trader friends or your community to join that battle, right? And those that make it to the top earn money. Now, the first thing we can see over here, right, we can see if you go to over to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, right, you're going to see that there are a lot of traders currently online that are on this platform that are that are currently trading for top positions. So basically, most of the battles, right, you just need to make it to the you just need to make it to the top three, depending on how the battle is set, anyways. So as you can see, these are the amounts of traders who are currently online right now, and you have your wallets over here. I deposited $100 yesterday to try out this platform. I already joined a battle, which I'm also going to show you in this video as well. Now, once you head over to this area over here, if you gain access to the series of battles available, then click on trade battles. Now, these are some of the battles that are currently upcoming. Here you have amounts of people who have joined the battle. If you click over here, you see them and you see their name, the country they are from. Now, the good thing about this platform is that it is for every, like, it's worldwide. It's not restricted to a particular continent or country. Anybody from anywhere, any trader anywhere can join any battle on this platform, which is Tradeiators. Now, um, these are some of the battles that are currently upcoming, and some of them last like 3 days, 7 days, depending on how it is set. Then over here you have the amount of price that's um, up to this, that you can actually win up to this amount depending on the amount of people that join that competition. For example, this competition right now is going to charge a trader $50 for you to get into that competition. Now, if let's say 100 people joins this competition, right, it simply means that the cash prize on that competition is going to be $1,000. So it all depends on the amount of people who join that competition, and you can join anyone you see on your dashboard. There's no restriction whatsoever. Now, this is the one I joined recently. I'm going to start trading it actually, because I just had to make this video to show you guys how it is done. Now, let's take a look at some of the rules or how earnings are actually made or structured on the trading battle. Now, you are going to be given 10k capital, virtual capital, get into once you get into a trading battle. You don't need any kind of extra deposits or whatever, adjustments or whatever. Now, everybody has the same time, the same starting time and the same end time. So if you join the second day, the first day, third day, competition is done, it is done for everyone as well. Now, another thing I also want to show you guys here is this area. So if you make it to the first position in this particular one now that I joined, right? If you make it to the first position, you get 70% of the prize pool. Now, if you make it to the second position, you get 8% of the prize pool. Make it to the third position, and you get 2% of the prize pool. So, if for any reason, let's say for example, you join the competition and let's say it gets cancelled, all right, or maybe for some reason it does not start, then your fee, right? Your fee, it says if the battle didn't start for any reason, the entry fee will be refunded. And the entry fee are non-refundable after battle starts. So if the battle starts already, you can't get out of that you can't get out of that battle with your fee. But if for any reason the battle does not start, then it gets refunded to back to your wallet over here. Then you can either withdraw, or you can join another, or you can use that same amount and join another battle. Now, let's take a look at the trading mission. Now, this is actually one that I know many people are going to be interested in, right? Now, so the trading mission here is you get to complete certain task, all right, on Tradeiators and you earn prizes. For example, this one over here for mainly beginners, right? Basically, all you need to for you to earn this $100 is actually the entry fee is zero, meaning it is free. You're going to be given a 100K account. All you need to do for you to earn this amount over here to be accredited to your wallet is just for you to make your first move, step into the arena, open and close a trade. It doesn't matter whether it's win or loss, it's just for you to engage on the platform. So it's more like a welcome bonus. Let me just put it that way for those who are joining you. So you also might want to check it out. Link in the description. Now, these are other trade missions that you can engage in for those who might want to get into. Maybe you want to double a particular fee or something. Like you can just do this from time to time and just double some amount. For example, in this area over here, it says that if you get into this trade mission, right, with the fee of $4, you're going to be getting $8, which is double that amount. Now all you need to do for it to land two different winning trades within $20 profit. So once you can do that within 45 minutes, right, just that two trades, then that your $4 fee is going to be doubled into $8. So there are a series of trade missions, a lot of them. They keep reloading them over and over again. So you may also want to get into them. Now, mind you, some of them have maximum drawdown on the accounts you are going to be given. So also pay attention to that. Now, another thing I also want to show you guys over here is the training camp. Now, this one is actually very cool for those, especially those who are in the trading industry, right? And you need to get more knowledge about the terms used in the trading industry, the terminology, right? So if you're a beginner, for example, if you go to this section that says beginner, you get to learn about terms used in trading, what they are. These things you normally hear like pips, CFD, lot size, margin, risk management, pending orders, limit orders. What do they actually mean? So you get to see videos that explain those things for you as a beginner. Now, also have the ones for intermediate, or maybe you've been trading for some time, but I see certain things you don't understand. You can also come to the training arena over here, and you get training camp over here, and you get to see these videos that's going to put you through what they mean. Now, let me also show you guys something that actually very cool, especially for those who are content creators, or maybe you just need a platform where you can grow a platform where you can grow, let's say, audience, right? While you trade. Now, the Tradeiators community, which you can access just by clicking this button over here on your dashboard, is where you can come, you can post updates, post share your trades, just general community discussion, and you get to earn followers, right? As you can see, these are some of the guys that are posting here. You can follow them whenever they post, you get notified and stuff like that. So you can actually build audience on this platform. And the way this platform is going, in the next 1 to 2 years, it's gonna be massive. And imagine you having audience of like 500 followers and 1,000 followers on this platform. It is going to boost your social profile in the trading industry. Right? So the community is actually a very good place where you can come and share your thoughts, share your trades, and also get to see what others are actually doing, also doing in the trading industry. Now let's head over to the trading arena itself. All right, through the batch that I joined, then see what the dashboard or what the trading background actually looks like in real time. So guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to our channel, and make sure to use the link in the description. So I'm also going to show you guys how to create a trading battle for, let's say, your community, or you want to create one for yourself, you want to share with your friends. I'm also going to show you that, and I'm also going to create one for our community and drop the link in case you want to also join and participate in our battle. So this is a trading arena, right? And this is where you get to place your orders. This is where your equity is going to appear, then your margin that is available, then your P&L. Then this is where you have your series of pairs that if you want to trade. For example, let's say you want to trade GBP you can just search for GBP. If it's not there on your favorites, then you click on it. Then this is where you can place your order. You can either place market order, all right, or you can click this area that says sell when rate is so and so value. Click on it. Then you can now place your limit order over here. This is where you place your take profits. This is where you place your stop loss. Now, there's also another feature over here that I don't think you are going to get in any similar platform, which is this one over here that says AI Coach. Now, what this AI Coach does is that it helps you analyze that particular pair and give you suggestions. It's more like AI trying to AI analyzing the markets for you and giving you options on what to how to trade if you're going to buy or sell. So that's basically what this AI coach does on the trading arena. So once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna fully get back into this this battle and trying to make it to the top and also possibly update you guys about that as well. Now let's head back and see how to create let's see how to create a battle. So if you want to create a battle for your community, so this is basically where you do it. So over here, if you want to create a battle, you select the name, all right, of the battle you want to create. For example, in my case now, if I want to do it, don't worry guys, I'm going to post the link of this battle right in the description so that those that want to join can join. So you can say soft um, community. You can say soft community battle or soft community trade battle. Trade battle. So over here, right, the entry fee here is the entry fee you want people that wants to join that battle to pay. So in my case now, I will say, okay, I want those joining this battle to pay $40 to be among those that will be competing for the amount to be earned here. Then I can just add my description. Then at the end of the day, um, you get to pay $10 for that, depending on how much your entry fee is. That's going to determine how much you're going to pay to create a battle for your community. It's very, very cheap, guys. If you want to do that, I'm going to create one for the community and drop the link in the description. So, guys, this is a platform that if you want something, as you can see, those online are still increasing. People joining more as the market is opening. So, if you want something that an arena or a platform where you can go and test your trading skills and make money without having to worry about passing profile challenge or daily drawdown or all those stuff, then this is a platform you want to sign up with. So check the link below this video, guys, and do sign up with Tradeiators. And guys, see you in the arena. Take care.